So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscription and the bell button so you will get notified to all the new videos that I will be uploaded. Today I'm gonna unbox something that I get yesterday from, what is the name of that again? Hold on. A Breeze shop. They are actually the one having all this CHARRIOL brand and a lot of things like Einer, Versace, watches, all the high-end accessories, like CHARRIOL of course. So yesterday Sunday we went out to get something for a friend, and then my husband asked me if I want that. So I said, I'm not gonna say no, right? So here we go. The reason why I get this is because I got something from CHARRIOL that I've been thinking to buy that been long time. But before that, yesterday they are on sale also in BB, and this is actually like a return, and then I get another something like that. I don't know, maybe. And then they are on sale in cost, so I got another piece of dress. It's not a duster. FYI sa mga nagsasabi dyan na yung mga duster ko, this is not a duster, guys. This kind of if you are going online and if you're going to check the real price of cost, some dresses cost. This is cost, and this cost, cost. If you are going to check the website, some of their new like dresses cost like $200, $100. So don't say that I'm wearing just duster, because all this duster is not a duster. Yeah, FYI sa mga chikadora mamamia dyan sa Pilipinas. Anyway, all those duster that I'm wearing is not a duster. It's something like, you can say, expensive duster. Well, alright. So, I got this. This is a CHARRIOL bracelet that I got last year. So this is their new, actually, I'm not really familiar with the CHARRIOL things, but they give me this as a guarantee, I guess. But I heard that in Philippines, CHARRIOL, for me, the first time I heard it, I thought it's only like accessories, but someone told me, or even the sales lady that working in a Breeze told me that in Philippines, you can bring this CHARRIOL in a pawn shop. Because I forget how much I got this bracelet. Costly though. They had a lot of things, watches. But let me find out if there's a name here. There's nothing. Worldwide Service Center. This is their new design last year, and I really don't know how you call this one. So this is the design. Oh, if you can see some of my videos on my previous videos, I always wear this piece of their new collection, but I think they have a new collection now, the Forever something. So this is what I got yesterday when my husband asked me if I want, because I was looking at it, but I was planning to buy it actually, but not today. I'm planning to buy maybe December as a gift to myself, but I already got it, so baka mamaya na natin to ibalik, no? Dito na tayo sa unboxing ng aking charan! Ay, meron din siyang parang guaranteed cardio. Ayan, tapos syempre hindi ko muna ipapakita yung model ng binili ko. Bibigyan kanila ng date kung kailan mo siya binili. Ayan, so ano kaya ang binili ko kahapon? What did I get yesterday? Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng kulay. I like the color. It's like a maroon purple. So here you go, guys. This is what I got yesterday. Charon! O diba ang ganda? Mamaya ko na ipapakita kasi isusuot ko siya. Ayan. So, nagustuhan ko lang siya. Ayan. So, this is what I got. Ayan. Match sila nung aking bracelet. Ayan. So, dapat pala dito ko nilagay. Kasi, dito siya. Baligtad, no? I always wear here kasi minamatch ko doon sa mga watches ko na mga silver, gold, ganon. Oh, yan. Diba? Ano na sila? Parang pair nung aking bracelet. So, yun yung, tapos meron pa siya dapat na hikaw, pero iba yung hikaw ko ngayon. So, I think, CHARRIOL, guys, is, ano ba kasi tawag dito? Bakit nga ba napakamahal ng CHARRIOL, no? Jewelry. So may golden pala siya. Of course, no? I think this is more like, hindi ko matandaan. It's around like 90 KD, I guess, or around something. So, I know you guys want to know the price. It's not that very expensive. Silver ring, because we got the silver ring is 45 KD. It's 45 KD. 35, diba? 40s. Yan. So, sana magkaroon pa to ng earrings tsaka necklace. No? Sana manganak. Ganun yun, guys. Nanganganak daw yun kasi sabi ng mga kaibigan ko dati nung unang-unang bili ko ng Louis Vuitton, yung Speedy 30. Manganganak daw yun. So, totoo nga, nanganak nga siya. Sana soon manganak na siya. So, yun lang guys yung ating unboxing. I hope you enjoy. Hindi man siya masyadong excitement, no? Pero ako, na-excited ako kasi gusto ko itong isuot. Diba? Kaya lang pag sa trabaho kasi minsan, bibihira akong magsuot ng jewelry kasi yung klase ng trabaho namin, maalikabok, mainit, humid, alam niyo yun. Minsan, lalo na pagka dusty, ay nako. Alikabok at saka dusty, same lang yun. Ayun guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking unboxing ng ating CHARRIOL. Ayan, sana dumami pa to. Dumami pa ang ating CHARRIOL eh. Ayan. Saan ko ba ito ilalagay? Ang ganda-ganda ng box, parang ayaw kong itapon. Kasi dati nagtatapon talaga ako ng box. Like yung mga box ko ng mga watches, tinatapon ko. Pero gustong-gusto ko yung kulay niya. As in, maganda yung kulay, diba? Ayan. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, please don't forget to hit the subscription button naman. At sana magkaroon pa ako ng maraming time na mag-upload ng maraming video kasi Ano ba yan, Lolo? Yung pinaggagawa nitong si Lolo. Wala lang talaga akong time, guys. Kaya, bibira ako ngayong mag-upload. But, I'm gonna try my best. So, before I end up this video, I just wanna say shout out to all the YouTuber out there. Sa mga hindi ko masya-shoutout, well, I'm so sorry. Kasi kung sino lang yung mag-pop up doon sa aking isipan, sila lang yung aking isa-shoutout. Ayan, Irene Nelson, Bea Mason, Simple Life, Janice B, Jolly Bobis, Soul Kirsten, Ingrata de Ortiz, Joella Cuela, J Travelag, Jen Torres OFW, Madam Agta, Juanita Peralta, Ferdinand Areñago, Wei Giming, Sheng Life Vlog, and Chantal Fam Vlog. Sila yung mga medyo malalapit sa ating puso. Sino pa? Marami pa. Marin Chill, Miss Cortina Rampadora. Hindi ko naman kayo nakakalimutan. Medyo busy lang talaga ang aking time. David John Valdez, Manong Bluetooth, Axe Corner, Pies and Coconut. What else? Come on, popping up in my head. Kami pa eh, di ba? Sap Kuta, yan si Abby Happy TV, Birds 2, something like that. So, shoutout sa inyong lahat at shoutout sa lahat ng mga hindi ko pa nabanggit. I'm gonna write down sa susunod para yung mga ibang hindi ko na shoutout, ma-shoutout ko sila. So, thank you so much!